The company offers a $50 gift certificate to fund the advertising budget so you can evaluate AI.marketing performance without using your own funds. In case the certificate was not activated automatically during registration, go to the Top Up tab, select the gift certificate option, enter the certificate code, and then click Pay. The conditions of the certificate require its return after use. The income you made stays in your account, but the amount of the certificate must be returned. To do this, click on the Give It Back button in the Certificate Return field using the Transfer tab. $50 will be charged off your Cashback account. The certificate is available for you to use so you can review the system. Therefore, the minimum amount of the first withdrawal is set at $100. If you decide to continue working after your review, you need to buy advertising in order to continue earning. The income you receive with the certificate will be a pleasant addition to your own earnings. Invite friends to your landing page or send them your gift certificate and get 5% cash back on their advertising budgets. Everything is clear and simple. Start making money with the Market Pot right now.